In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can aim using binoculars here in War Thunder. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, essentially what you need to do is go ahead and get loaded into a match. It doesn't really matter which game mode you play, as long as it's a game mode with binoculars. And while you are in your match, go ahead and just hit B, and that'll activate your binoculars. You can use them to look at distant targets and line up exactly where you want to aim. Once you have your target lined up, just hit B again, and it'll switch back to your gun view, and your aim will be aligned pretty close to where you were looking at with those binoculars. If it's slightly off, just adjust your aim a little bit and then fire. This method obviously lets you spot and hit enemies from positions where your tank might not have a clear view, but that is it. That is how you could use binoculars to aim here in War Thunder. One more time, when you're in a match, just hit B to activate your binoculars and then hit B again to put those binoculars away. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.